Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted on Facebook to change serial numbers on like tags or something. And this is not the way to do it unless you only had a few. If you have 100, you need to do print merge. And I'm going to show you some videos on print merge, but this is a free macro. So if we take, well, what we need to do, we need to get a box inside here that we can kind of center this to. So I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm just going to make a box. Of course, you would take more time. And then I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to copy it down. And then I'm going to hit the plus key and copy it over. And then hit the plus key and copy it down. So I'm just putting a rectangle inside those. Then I'm going to do two more over here. And see, I'm 3.5 by 1.5. So 3 by 1.5 tags, 3 by 5, 1.5. So now with this free macro, it's sequential numbers in the click of a mouse. Click on your number and double click on this and it gives you this. And then just try to get it in the center. So we're at 32, 13, 11, 11. This is going to be 11, 12, 11, 13, 11, 14, 11, 15. Try to get it kind of in the center. I don't know a way yet to center it. But what you can do now, and that box is a little bit off, you have to hit escape to get out of that program. And I don't know why that does that. So now we got the serial numbers, but they're not necessarily in the center of this imaginary box. And like I said, you wouldn't want to do this if you had 100 of them. But select your number. Select your number. Shift select your box and hit EC. And then at that time, get rid of that box. Now my serial number is a little bit off. Select your number, shift select your box, EC, and then delete the box. So I need to move my serial number down and just do that. But and I'll put a link to this video or this macro because it's pretty cool. But if you will go to my channel that you're already on right now, there's two magnifying glasses on this page. One of them's up here with the search all of YouTube. This one will just search my channel and type in print merge numbers and hit enter. I've got quite a few. This one right here, I'll put a link to this at the video too. Roy Brewer, my main mentor. And if you go to Engraving Concepts and check on him, he's the master at this. He's the one that he has got this down where if you were going to do 100 of them, print merge is the way to go. So I'll leave a link to that video and the macro for that other video. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.